Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1975 Chevrolet Laguna. Now if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice that the front bumper and the grille is all in excellent condition, especially considering it all appears to be original to this car. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the driver's side, and you can see that this body is straight as an arrow. As you make your way around the driver's side, I want you to take a close look at the gaps here at the door, at the fender, and the quarter. You'll notice they're even and symmetrical. But before we go on around, I want you to come on up. We'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside, it's done in the factory red, and as you can see, everything has been well cared for over the course of its life. You can look at the dash and see that it's in excellent condition along with all the gauges. Now this car does have factory tilt wheel, and as you come on around, you can see the door panels have been well cared for as well. They show a little bit of age, but they're in phenomenal condition considering that they're original to this car. This car is predominantly known because it has the swivel seats, which are working on both sides. And before we get out of the car, I want you to take a close look at the seat covers. That way you can really appreciate how well this car has been cared for. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. As you come across the back, you'll notice the rear bumper's in great condition, just like the front, and that your stainless back here along with the emblems are in great condition, and you'll notice the little touches with the bow ties and the taillights. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the passenger side, and you see that this paint is slick as a ribbon. As you come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. You can notice that all the glass in this car is in phenomenal condition, and that it does have power door windows. Now this burgundy and white two-tone color combination flows beautifully together and really does a great job of showing off the body lines that the Laguna had to offer. Now to finish off the stance, it's set up with American racing wheels with the BF Goodrich radial TA white letter tires. Come on up and we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, you can see that everything is in excellent condition and has a beautiful detail. The engine is a period correct 400 that's dressed like it would have been from the factory with the stock style air cleaner and the painted valve covers. It's mated to the 350 turbo trans that goes out back to the 10-bolt rear end. Now for exhaust, it has manifolds with a single muffler, and you'll notice that this 75 is set up with power steering along with power brakes with disc on the front. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Laguna, we'll get it out on the highway for you. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Let's get her fired up and get her out on the road.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.